Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. If you like these vids, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today. Good morning, fellow traders. It's the 22nd of December. It is a Wednesday, and there is now only 3 days until Christmas. I hope everyone is safe and COVID is not too much of a pain in the ass for everyone. Yeah, have a good Christmas. Yesterday, guys, my regular viewers will know that we had two potential trades. Price did retrace to our grey zones, but we didn't get a candlestick pattern form in those grey zones. So we didn't have any trades yesterday, guys. I did say it'll be a slightly tricky week in the build up to Christmas. So yeah, no problem, part of trading. Today, however, we've got 4 potential trades. So the first one is this. We've got the Aussie dollar against the Canadian dollar, and we are looking to buy this market. Okay, so yesterday we had a bullish candle. It broke this high from the 16th of December. So I think we can push price to the upside. I also drew in this diagonal resistance, guys. So I think this could potentially be a target. All right. So first of all, our first target is the last daily high of 9244, and if we leave some money on the trade, we could take it up to 9276. Okay. Let's look at H1 for execution. So guys, yeah, this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for price to retrace into one of these grey zones. So firstly, it could retrace. Well, it has retraced into this grey zone. Okay, but we would need a bullish candlestick pattern to start trading this. And then we will take price back up to the high as our first target, and then leave some money on the trade up to our second daily target. If that doesn't happen, I'm looking for price to retrace further. It could come down to this grey zone, but again, a bullish candlestick pattern, and we can take price back up to this high as our first target, and then leave a little bit of money on the trade to take it up to our second daily target. Okay, so Aussie dollar against the Canadian dollar, we are buying, we are longing this market. The next one I'm looking at is this. This is the Aussie dollar against the US dollar. So I'm seeing a bit of Aussie dollar strength today. So yesterday, it bounced off this last low. Yeah, you can see we've had this last low. We had a bullish candlestick pattern. So I still think we have a little bit of room up to this blue line here. So 7166. Okay, let's look at H1 for execution. So guys, yeah, I'm looking for price. Well, it has already come down into my grey zone, but I want to see in this grey zone, I want to see a bullish candlestick pattern. Okay, and then remember, our first target is always the last high. Okay, so we can take our trade to there, leave a little bit of money on the trade, and take it up to our blue daily target. All right, so Aussie dollar against the US dollar, we are longing, we are buying this market. The next one, guys, is the pound against the Aussie dollar. Again, Aussie dollar strength. So yesterday, guys, you can see price keeps reacting at this resistance zone and bouncing off. And then yesterday, we got a bearish candle. Okay, so I think we can take price back down. Sorry, guys, to this line here. I think we can take price back down to around 18481. Okay, let's look at H1 for execution. So yeah, we're looking for price to retrace up into this grey zone. Okay, we're looking for a bearish candlestick pattern. First of all, we'll take price back down to this low, all right, and then leave some money on the trade and take it back down to our blue line. Okay, so that's what we're looking for on the pound against the Aussie dollar. Yeah, we're looking to short, we're looking to sell this market. Guys, if you're new to the channel and don't know how I plot the grey zones, how I plot my targets, what bearish or bullish candlestick patterns are, then please subscribe to the channel and check out my tutorials. Okay, so yeah, the last 3 trades, guys, are all Aussie dollar, so they are slightly correlated, so bear that in mind. Okay, the last one we're looking at, guys, is this is the pound against the New Zealand dollar. So this is obviously heavily correlated with the pound against the Aussie dollar. Okay, so again, like I've always said, guys, if pairs are heavily correlated, just trade the one that gives you the best setup, or the only setup in some cases. Okay, so yeah, price, as you can see, guys, keeps reacting off this high. Okay, and then we had a very bearish candle form yesterday, so I think we can take price back down to this blue line here of around 9,540. Let's look at H1 for execution. So what we're looking for, guys, is price to retrace into this grey zone. We're looking for a bearish candlestick pattern. Then we want to sell the market back down to this low, first of all. Okay, this will still give us a good risk to reward. And then we can leave some money on the trade and take it back down to our daily target. All right, guys. So yeah, the pound against the New Zealand dollar, we're looking to short, we're looking to sell this market. Okay, guys, so they're the 4 trades for today. Let's take a look at the crazy world of news. Before I start the news, guys, if you're enjoying this daily morning analysis and want to receive it every single morning, Monday to Friday, then please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification button. Okay, that way you won't miss a single morning. Okay, so the news, guys. Yeah, first of all, we're interested in this news. 7 o'clock, these are all GMT times. Yeah, we've got the gross domestic product coming out of the UK. So if you're in the pound Aussie dollar or pound Kiwi, then keep an eye out for this. Carrying on down, guys, we have more gross domestic product figures coming out of the US at 130. This is a 3-star rating, so we're interested in this. If we carry on down at 3 o'clock, we've got consumer confidence coming out of the US, another 3-star rating. At the same time, we've got existing home sales also coming out of the US. Okay, and then at 3:30 GMT, we've got oil figures. So this will affect the US dollar, as you can see here, but as I've mentioned many times before, it will also affect the Canadian dollar because oil and the Canadian dollar are heavily correlated. All right, guys, and that is it for the rest of the day. So guys, yeah, if you've enjoyed today's vid, please subscribe and like and share with your friends. That would be greatly appreciated. I hope you have a most excellent day trading. Merry Christmas, and I will see you tomorrow.